Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this fantastic electric bike for adults. We're gonna do a short demo and a little bit kind of like a riding right here on the alley. But the bottom line is that this thing is actually pretty good for a couple things. I would say that it's really good for commuting. That's perfect for commuting. This one has a 50 miles range. It's also kind of like really good for everyday use. For example, going to the gym, going to the grocery store, going to work, for example, if your office is close to your place. And also, it's really good for having fun because this thing goes up to 25 miles per hour. It's actually pretty good. Also, I do like the fact that it comes with tons of features. We're gonna dive in a little bit, but the bottom line is that, and I missed the actual kickstand. The bottom line again is that for having fun commuting or just like doing for every day, this thing is fantastic. Supports 360 pounds. I'm 5'10", I weigh 180 pounds, and the sitting position of this one is quite comfortable. Let's check it out. So in here, you're gonna find a couple of things. Number one, 16-inch fat tires, all terrain. So this one is gonna be also perfect for the grass, for gravel, something like that. You're also gonna find 2 disc brakes, so these brakes are super powerful, I have to say, and also a light, so you can have a headlight right here if you're gonna be riding at night, for example. Nice and lightweight frame, but this is not a lightweight bike, which actually translates into good quality. You're also gonna find a nice seat right here, which is gonna be more firm than anything because again it supports 360 pounds, and this battery, which you can detach with the keys that comes with the actual bike. This one you can charge it in about 4 hours, and you can remove it and charge it somewhere else if you want, or just like get a replacement too. And besides the kickstand, which I already show you, it also comes with a nice shocking absorption right here, shock suspension. So that's really good for all those all-terrain things that I told you before, besides the other disc brake as well. And in here, you're gonna find the LED display, which also you can kind of like check the speed, the battery life, also the gears. Talking about the gears, you can pedal this bike, or you can do pedal assist, or you can do full electric mode. But if you're gonna be pedaling, it also comes with 7-gear Shimano gears right here. This is gonna be your gas, and this is gonna be the dual brake, as well as some of the controls right here. For example, for the headlights, some information, you can actually do the headlight right here on the side as well. And also you have the turn signals, which you can see over here. That's a pretty cool gadget to have. And last but not least, before we ride on this bike, check this out. I think that's awesome. Let's just ride a little bit. Okay, just for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna go full electrical. I'm not gonna be pedaling too much, but I'm gonna go full electrical. And now I'm gonna just go that way in speed number 1. Super nice and easy. Check this out. Braking. And this is number 1 speed. I hope that the microphone is not super windy. And we brake right here. And we go this way and come back. So this is speed number 1. You can see how nice and easy it is. Brake test right now. Perfect brake test. Okay, so now I'm gonna go that way, and I'm gonna go kind of like speed number 3 and come back in speed number 5. So you can see how fast this thing is. Join with me over there. Okay, so again, I hope it's not too windy on the microphone. This is number 1, number 2, number 3. Okay, well now I'm coming on number 5. This is fantastic. Oh my God. Again, one more time. Boom! And a little bit of a brake test right here, and also some terrain. Wow. Yeah, this is actually really cool. Again, you can see a little bit of all terrain right here. Goes perfectly, no issues. This thing is actually fantastic. Again, you want to do it for commuting, you want to do it for having fun, you want to do it for everyday use. It's actually really cool. I like it. I do recommend it.